Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Christmas in a Cup layered paper craft. How adorable is this design? You have this great big cup all decorated with the fun winter theme. You have the little house, the Christmas tree, and then that cute little gingerbread there in the front. Just a really cute design. This is really fast to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares if you wish to add some dimension between the different layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I usually size these layered paper crafts as a larger size that will fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat. I'm going to do something a little different this time because I'm wanting to add these as little decorations to my kids' doors when it comes time to decorate for Christmas. So I made these a little bit smaller. If you're going to put this on a card or possibly a larger decal or a larger paper craft for a shadow box or for decor in your house, you can change the size here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the solid white, red, green, blue. This is a cream color, and then the brown. Now you can add foam squares behind each one of these layers if you wish. I'm just going to layer everything together and glue it just all together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our really cute layered paper craft. What did you think of this design? Wasn't it really fun to put together? I could totally see this on a card, shrink it down so that it will fit on one of your card bases, make it into decor. There's so many different options. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.